Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you're all okay. Today, we're going to do together the exercise in your booklet on the past simple of verb to be. Let's start. Exercise 1. Choose the correct answer between brackets. Number 1. The library was where are can next to the school. So the library it. So the library was, because it takes was. The library was next to the school. Number 2. Are we, has, can it a good film? Okay. The only possible answer here is was. Was it a good film? But why? Why didn't I choose can? Because we know that after can there should be an infinitive, can plus infinitive, and here in our question there isn't any verbs. So was it a good film? Was it a good film? Number 3. No, I wasn't, hasn't, no, I was, hasn't, can't, wasn't with any. Okay. Was. No, it's not was. Why? I was. We say I was. Yes, we say I was, but here I have no, so it is a negative sentence, and therefore I have to add not to the verb. So, no, I wasn't with any. Number 4. There has, can, was, are a new swing at the park. Here, a new swing is a singular. It's only one swing, so I cannot choose are because are for plural. So the only possible answer here is was. There was a new swing at the park. Number 5. Yesterday is, had, was, has, nice to play outside. We said that yesterday, last, ago, once upon a time, this morning, one day, all these are keywords for the past simple. So when you see one of these time expressions in a sentence, you have to put your verb in the past simple tense. So when we have the time expression in the past, the verb also should be in the past. When your time expression is in present, the verb should be in present, and so on. Here, yesterday is past, so was is going to be the answer because was is the past of verb to be. Yesterday was nice to play outside. Number 6. Some children, teachers, you was absent yesterday. You was, no, you were. Teachers was, no, teachers were. Children was, no, children were. So the only possible answer here is Sam, because Sam means he, and he takes was. He was. So he was absent yesterday. Sam was absent yesterday. Number 7. Yes, the boys were, aren't, have, or can in the garden. Here the answer will be aren't. The boys are, or the boys aren't. Yes, the boys takes are, but here I have yes. The word yes. So this means that this sentence is affirmative. I cannot add not. So the answer will be yes, the boys were in the garden, because it's an affirmative sentence. The rest of this exercise is homework. Please answer it in your booklet. Then exercise 2. Do as it says between brackets. Number 1. I be at home last night. Correct the verb. Here be means verb to be. Am is are or was or were. Okay. I am or I was. Okay. What am I going to use? Am or was? We said according to the time expression, we're going to decide which tense. Okay. The time expression here is last night. Last night is one of the keywords of the past, so I have to put my verb in the past. So I was at home last night. Number 2. There was a knife in the drawer. Ask a question and ask about the underlined word, a knife. You're going to ask yourselves, a knife. Is it a person? No. Is it a place? No. It's an object, a knife. So, what do we use to ask about objects? We use what? Okay, excellent. And where is the verb? The verb here is was. It's a verb to be in the past, and we all know that we don't use or we don't need any helping verbs with verb to be. Okay, so I'm going to make my scissors to start with the verb because it's a question, and in questions we start with the verb, then the subject. Okay, so what? This is the question word first. What? Then the verb was, then the subject. What was there in the drawer? What was there? Was there instead of there was there in the drawer. My pencils were in my pencil case. Ask a question about the underlined word. In my pencil case. In my pencil case is a place. It refers to a place. So I'm going to ask with where. So also we start with the question word, then the verb, then the subject. So where your pencils. Here my is going to be changed to your. Where were your pencils? My pencils were in my pencil case. Okay, also of course we don't write in my pencil case because it is the answer. I'm asking about it using where, so I'm not going to write the answer in the question. It's meaningless. Where were your pencils? Number 4. No, there wasn't a piano in the music room. Change into plural. No, there wasn't becomes weren't. Okay, and we're going to cross a. Piano. What is the plural of piano? Pianos. We're going to add s. Excellent, girls. S or es? No, we're going to add only s. Piano, radio, video, photo. We add only s. However, they end with o, but we only add s. So, no, there weren't pianos in the music room. I crossed a because I use a plus a singular noun. So no, there weren't pianos in the music room. Number 5. The doctors weren't busy yesterday. Change into singular. The doctor wasn't busy yesterday. The doctor wasn't because it becomes he, the doctor. So the doctor wasn't busy yesterday. I cannot say the doctor were. Okay, the doctor was. Doctors wasn't busy yesterday. Number 6. His trousers was in the locker. Correct the mistake. His trousers was in the locker. Okay, can you guess here? Where is the mistake? Can you find it? His trousers was in the locker. Was in the locker? No, his trousers were in the locker. Excellent. There were 2 babies on my bed this morning. Ask a question. We're going to ask about 2. So, how many babies were there in your bed this morning? How many babies were there on your bed this morning? And we have finished. The rest of this exercise also is homework. So, here is your assignment. Please answer the rest of the exercise in your booklet and answer the past simple of verb to be in your grammar book. And I have finished. Thank you so much for listening. See you soon. Bye bye.